And what is the situation now in the Bilibid? I have received reports, very reliable, credible reports, of inmates and gang leaders being taken by the Special Action Force deployed to Bilibid for overnight interrogation sessions, reportedly taken to ISAF quarters, which can also be a euphemism for psychological torture. I'm referring to the overnight interrogation sessions, all in an effort to fabricate testimony that I received bribes from drug lords. The National Bilibid prison under this administration is now a tropical gulag. Prisoners are being selected and isolated just to be intimidated into implicating me and to fit the president's narrative that I am a drug lord coddler, aside from being the most evil woman in the planet. Sa puntong pong ito, nananawagan po ako sa Commission on Human Rights na magsagawa ng checking, inspection. I-check nyo po ito, i-confirm nyo po ang tunay na nangyayari dyan sa National Bilibid Prison. Nananawagan din po ako sa Senado. I'll be filing the appropriate resolution na imbestigahan din po ang mga pangyayari na yan sa loob ng National Bilibid Prison.